We'll guide you through how to use Polygon in Corel Draw. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, click Windows on the taskbar and use the search field to search for Corel Draw. Open Corel Draw on your computer to access the main workspace. Click New Document to create a new file for your project. Type your file name. For example, use Polygon in Corel Draw, so the document is easy to identify. Set the width based on your needs, for example 1920 millimeters, to define the horizontal canvas size. Set the height based on your needs, for example 1080 millimeters, to define the vertical canvas size. Set the resolution based on your needs, for example 300 dpi, to ensure clear visual quality. Click OK to confirm the document settings and open the blank canvas. Select the Polygon tool from the toolbar to start creating a geometric shape. Change the points or sides value to 6 so the polygon becomes a hexagon. Click and drag on the canvas while holding the Control key to draw a proportional hexagon. Then click File on the top menu and select Import from the menu. Choose the image you want to use and click Import to place it on the canvas. Select the image on the canvas so it becomes active. Click Effects on the top menu. Select Adjust from the menu, and then select Black and White to convert the image color. Right-click the image and select Power Clip inside to prepare it for masking. Click on the hexagon to place the image inside it. Select Fit Contents, then select Fill Proportionally to adjust the image scaling. Double-click the object and adjust the image position based on your preference so it fits properly. Click Finish to apply the changes and complete the process. This result allows you to use the hexagon as a clean image container for layouts, posters, social media designs, or branding elements, ensuring the image stays proportional, neatly cropped, and visually balanced inside the polygon shape.